How to find the best time for you to post on TikTok to get more views. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to find out the best time for you to post on TikTok to get more views. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you want to get the most possible views on your TikTok videos, this tutorial is for you. Watch this video to learn how to find out the best time to post on TikTok, personalized for your own account. TikTok allows you to see when your followers are most active on the app, so you can use this information to determine your best times to post. To see when your followers are most active on the TikTok app, open TikTok and then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then next, tap the three dots in the top right hand corner to open up the menu, then select Creator Tools. Next, tap on Analytics. Then at the top, tap on Followers. Now scroll down to the Most Active Times section. This will show you the dates and times your followers are most active on TikTok. On this account, I don't have many followers, so I'm not seeing much data on mine. But here you can see an hourly breakdown of how many of your followers were active at specific times. There'll be different bars on the graph, and if you tap on a bar in the graph to see the number of active followers at that time. You can tap the arrows above to switch to another date. This is helpful because the times your followers are most active will vary depending on what day of the week it is. Look through each date and see which dates and times of day your followers are most active. When your followers are most active could be totally different to when my followers are most active, so it's good to find out when yours are so you can personalize the times that you release your TikTok videos. If you tap days, you can see a daily breakdown of how many of your followers were active on TikTok over the last 7 days. I personally think the hourly information is more useful, but this may be different for you depending on the data available for your account. Once you know what time your followers are most active, you can use this information to influence when you post. You could try posting just before your time your followers will be most active, so that when they come on TikTok, they can see your new video. Check back to this analytics page each week to see if anything has changed. And that's all it takes to see the best time for you to post on TikTok to get more views. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.